vai dançar.
Girl, you want my time. Girl, you want my time. Hey, I want you, girl. I want you, girl. I need you, girl. Hey, I love you, girl. I love you, girl. I love you, girl.
E tudo isso Bento, caixa 1.
You look so nice, you look so sweet. You look so sweet, you look so nice.
Girl, you want my time.
Girl, you want my time. Girl, you want my time. You look so nice, you look so sweet. You look so sweet, you look so nice.
Girl, you want my time.
Time. Girl, you want my time. Girl, you want my time.
Jefferson F-Net Master. Tá na área. O rei delas. Conta isso aí, nega. Conta isso aí.
I want you, girl. I want you, girl. I need you, girl. Hey, I love you, girl. I love you, girl. I love you, girl. You look so nice, you look so sweet. You look so sweet, you look so nice. Girl, you want my time. Girl, you want my time. Girl, you want my time. You look so nice, you look so sweet. You look so sweet, you look so nice.
E o sucesso.
Girl, you want my time. Girl, you want my time.
E
Girl,
ele
you
vai
want my
dançar.
time. You look so nice, you look so sweet. You look so sweet, you look so nice.
Começa o show.
Girl, you want my time.
Já ele volta a mistura perfeita, mais longe na volta. Já deu o clima da mistura perfeita na sequência da som. A incomparável do Brasil tá na área.
Yes, this is Johnny Orlando, Jason, Petra,
Beleza.
Petra, number 1.
Só beleza, mas. Aí, Israel, Pedra tá na área. E aí? Léo Produções. Aí, vai o som.
Essa é mais uma exclusividade da Radiola Tradicional.
Comigo, show.
Jason, Petra,
Alô, Carlinhos, tá na área.
am I wanna get sweet life? What if my love wasn't really alive? I had to endure over and over again. And now my heart and soul are full of pain. Now I'm trying to understand. You broke my heart, and there's no way to make it go. Now I'm trying to understand. You broke my heart, and there's no way to make it go. Now I'm trying to understand. You broke my heart,
Vamos nessa, Sozaço!
there's no way to make it go.
Tá chegando aí dia 20 de dezembro, a tradicional festa de São Luís, em Britizeira Beckmão, com a Radiola Lion System. Vai ser demais aí, portaria e churrasco liberado a partir das 10. Certinho? No clima, mais uma aqui na volta, já vem a mistura perfeita na sequência, agitando o povo Tradicional. Tá na área.
Yes, this is John Yolanda. Jason, Petra, #1.
Aqui um rosto para rapaziada de lançar na manhã, Jamilson DJ.